Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aditya, and in this video we'll be learning about conditional statements, or we'll be starting to learn conditional statements, as till now we have not yet covered, but we have done the basic stuff like data types, operators, variables, type conversions. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So guys, as I've said, we'll be covering about conditional statements. One thing I just want to tell you is that if you're from another programming language like C++, Java, or from Python like that, the syntax is very similar. The concepts are also same in any programming language. You can just skip this video and start watching from the next video. And if you're completely beginner, keep watching this video. Okay. So what exactly is a conditional statement? We'll be covering if-else right now. Mostly in the next video, we'll be starting loops. So what exactly is this if-else or a conditional statement? So the simple definition is that a conditional statement is a group of tasks which will be done when a particular condition is true. So in the data type section also I have told that booleans are going to be used. So here is where we use booleans or boolean data type. So guys, the syntax is also very similar. The IntelliSense is giving me some blocks, so I can just use these kind of templates. So here we got if and else. So let's see how we can do this. So before working with the statement, I'll just declare a variable so that it would be much easier. So I'll just write int a equals 10. Now if, so here we have an if block. So if is going to take a condition, so in this brackets we are going to give a condition. So I can just write if a is greater than 9. So these we have operators like greater than, lesser than, equal to, same like mathematics. So I won't be telling them right now because that's very simple, guys. So those operators, nothing much in them. So as you can see, we have if a is greater than 9. So this is actually a condition, if a is greater than 9. So I'll just show you if this is a condition or not. It will return a boolean value. So I'll write bool condition equals a greater than 9. And let's print this to check if that is really a condition or not. So here we'll write condition. So remove one extra bracket is there. And now let's just remove this if block also. So open a new terminal for running. And then here the syntax is very similar, dot main dot dot. Press enter, and okay, we have got one error. Okay, and now again press run. So as you can see, the bool value is returning. So here we have given a condition a is greater than 9. So 10 is greater than 9, and it is returning a boolean value that is either true or false. So as it is true, we are getting true. So now we have understood that booleans are used in conditional statements. So somewhat. So now let us use the if-else. So if, and we give a condition in these brackets. So if a greater than 9, and here we'll write print we'll give a string. So we'll write a is greater and close it with a semicolon. And always forget to check, check if it is ending with proper quotes or not. Sometimes you may do such mistakes because you're a beginner, and even I do some mistakes. Now let's run this program and check out the answer. So as you can see, we got a is greater. Now what if I change this to 7? Now let's run this program. Nothing happens. So when the condition is turning out to be false, for that time we use a block called as else block. So if the condition is false, then you use the else block, and in this you write whatever you want to do. So I write print, I'll give a string, a is lesser, and now end it with a semicolon. Now let's run this program again, and as you can see, we have got the output as a is lesser. So that was about if and else. So I think you have understood this little bit. It takes a little bit time to understand this conditional statements and loops, all these things. So try to practice more, see some examples, and if you have any doubt, please write it in the comments down below. So thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates. See you in the next video.